hey there, it's Capable, and today we are diving into the world of air fryers. If you're like me, you love indulging fried foods, but you also have questions and don't want to pile up the calories and fat. Well, air fryers are the perfect solution, and today I'm going to share with you the top 5 air fryers that won't break the bank, all priced under $100. Number 5. Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. Coming in at number 1, we have the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. Priced at $89. With a 4-quart capacity, this air fryer is perfect for larger families, and the non-stick ceramic coil basket makes cleaning up a breeze. With the ability to adjust the temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and 4 programmable cooking functions, you will be able to cook all your favorite fried foods with ease. And yes, you all should know that this product can dehydrate food. You can have homemade snacks. And it is recommended to preheat this product before using for the best experience. Use it, enjoy it, and be the best cooker at your home. Number 4. Black Decker Purify 2-liter Air Fryer. Next up is the Black Decker Purify 2-liter Air Fryer priced at $76. This air fryer has a 2-liter capacity, perfect for families up to 4 people. And the dual convection fans ensure that your food is cooked evenly and quickly. You can adjust the temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the 60-minute timer makes sure your food is cooked to perfection. Be ready to excited with this news. This product will give you a guilt-free results for your fried food cravings. Since this product adds crispy touch to your food without drenching them in oil, you can have healthy fried food. Hola, foodies! This is your time to have guilt-free food. Number 3. Chefman 3.6-quart 4-in-1 Respawn Air Fryer. Third on our list is the Chefman 3.6-quart 4-in-1 Small Air Fryer, which can range in price from $49 to $74, depending on the color you choose. This air fryer has a large 3.6-quart capacity, making it ideal for larger families. Plus, with 4 cooking modes, including air fry, roast, bake, and reheat, this versatile air fryer can do it all. Adjustable temperature range of 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit makes it easy to cook a wide variety of food. You can use this product for a variety of food to achieve crispy results. And what's more exciting is that this has a dual knob that can control food temperature and time, so you can perfectly and evenly cook anything from frozen veggies to mozzarella sticks. Number 2. Instant for Vortex 2-quart Air Fryer. Next, we have the Instant for Vortex 2-quart Air Fryer, coming in at just $46. This air fryer has clear cook technology, which means it basically does all the work for you. The built-in sensor monitors the temperature and adjusts the cooking time accordingly, so you can get perfectly cooked food every time. Touchscreen display is easy to use, and the compact design makes it perfect for those with smaller kitchens or apartments. If you have kids around you, this could be a good option since this product comes with a built-in safety features. Number 1. Dash Compact Air Fryer Oven Cooker. Last on our list, but comes with the cheapest price, in our list introducing Dash Compact Air Fryer Oven Cooker. This little gem is perfect for small families or couples and at only $49. With the 1.2-liter capacity, you can cook up all your favorite fried foods, and the temperature control feature makes it easy to get the perfect cook every time. Plus, it has a 30-minute timer and auto shut-off feature, so you can just set it and forget it. So why not give one of these air fryers a try? Trust me, your taste buds and your waistline will thank you. And if you want more product reviews and recommendations, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.